Hi guys, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a stitch fix to share with you, and as we're coming to the close of summer, I've asked my stylist to send me fall transitional pieces. And I have to be honest, I'm a little bit nervous because look how thin the box is. I can't picture fall pieces in this box, but we're about to find out. If you want to see what's in the box, then just keep watching. My name is Theresa. I'm so glad that you're here. Now let's look at these pieces together. So this is what the inside of the box looks like, and this might explain why this box looks so thin to me, because it looks like I received a piece of jewelry. I'm not the biggest fan of receiving jewelry in Stitch Fix because I often find beautiful pieces on clearance racks for pennies on the dollar. I am curious to see what this looks like, and if it's something that I love and it's a reasonable price, I will certainly consider it. If you haven't watched my Walmart jewelry clearance haul, I'm going to try to remember to link that in the cards above, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about and why I hesitate about Stitch Fix jewelry. But I digress. Let's see what's in here. I have the bundle here minus the crinkly paper, and I tried not to even look while I was taking the paper off because I want us to get our first impressions together. So let's get our first impressions of these pieces. Let's look at the pieces in the box, and the first thing I want to look at is the jewelry, and I kind of secretly hope that I don't like it just because of probably the pricing, but let's see. Well, darn. I like it. Now what am I going to do? Better hope for a 5 for 5. Let me bring this in closer to show you. Wow, I am not going to lie. I really like this. This has both gold tone and silver tone. It has that stacked bracelet look, and if you watch any of my videos, you know that that's my jam. It has a little bit of weight to it, but it doesn't feel ridiculously heavy. I have very small wrists, and darn if that doesn't fit perfectly. Now what am I going to do, right? Ugh, I love this bracelet. Let's see what else I got. We will try all of these on in just a second. My hair is being a little crazy today. I've been trying on a lot of clothes. I just got done filming a Walmart fall haul and try on, and I'll try to remember to link that in the cards above. And I bet I've tried on 30 outfits without exaggeration. I think it'll be easier if I show you the style card because I'm just holding the piece up for now, and then we'll try all of these pieces on in just a second. So the first piece is the Allie brush knit midi dress. I have never owned a midi dress in my life. I don't know how I feel about that length. Typically I like things that either come to the knee or a maxi dress, but let me show you the style card. And of course I have a denim jacket, and I also have a waterfall or a cascading jacket like you see on the other side as well. Let's see what we think about the dress itself. My initial thought is it is baby blanket soft. It's that knit fabric. Ooh, I don't know about this top. It's a baby blanket soft knit. This might be a little bit low cut for me, but I can tell you that it's very pretty. I love navy blue. I like the pattern. It just depends on how low this is on me, honestly. This fabric feels fabulous. I've never even tried on a midi dress, so I'll be really curious to see how this looks on. And the next piece is the Kaileigh Valette cold shoulder top, and I know exactly why Laura sent this. This is one of the tops that I bought. And at first I was buying it not to lose my $20 styling fee, to be completely honest. I love that top. I wear it incessantly. So let me show you the styling card. And again, it'll be pretty easy for me to duplicate these looks. And I'll show you the top and the pattern up close, and then we'll try it on. And this is the top. Oh, Laura, you're killing me. I love burgundy too. And she already knows that I like the cut of this top. Oh, Laura, if you ever see this video, you're killing me right now. If this ends up being a 5 for 5, I don't know what I'm going to do. I guess I'll be buying the whole box. I really like this print. Let me bring this in closer so that you can see it. It's burgundy, and then it has white flowers with a little bit of yellow in the center and a little bit of black. Oh boy, 2 for 2 so far. If everything fits, I am really going to be in trouble. Let's look at the next item. And the next piece is the Kaileigh Jonesman one shoulder knit top. Oh, Laura, you're killing me. I love this style so much. I love the color. I love the style. So here's the style card. Oh, it's soft too. Oh, I just love this style so much. I love this green this year. I love this off the shoulder style. I'll bring this in just a little bit so that you can see the strap detail. You'll be able to see this much better on the try-on, I'm sure. So let's look at the next piece, and I apologize if you can hear the mowers going outside. This is the Liverpool Elizabeth super skinny jean. I don't know about super skinny, but let's look at the style card. I can tell you that I like the style, and I can tell you that I like the way that it's styled in this style card. So let me show you the actual jeans. Boy, I like the color of the wash. I am in trouble. These are a flat front pull-on, and I did buy a flat front pull-on in my last box, but the wash was different. So Laura has dialed into my style. I'll bring these in a little bit closer so that you can see them. They have the grommet detail. The pockets in the front are faux, but the pockets in the back are working. So I'll be curious to see how these fit compared to the ones that I just bought, because these are considered a super skinny. I'm a little bit afraid to find out how much these cost. So overall, I fear that I have a 5 for 5. I know most of us get excited when we get a 5 for 5, right? I was planning on buying one item, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do that, not if all these pieces fit. So let's try everything on, and then you let me know what I should keep and what I should pass on. So here's this completed outfit with this top as the stylist shows on the style card. The style card did show some neutral slides, and I just pulled these because I thought they were pretty with a little bit of bling. And yes, my legs are still that white at the end of summer. I use a high SPF, so my skin really doesn't tan. But let's talk about the top. And actually, while I'm right at this angle, I literally just bought these shorts at Walmart 2 days ago off of a clearance rack for $9. They are the Time and True brand, made out of recycled materials. I love them so much. They have great stretch. They don't have a weird gap at all. I didn't show these in a haul because I'm sure you're overseeing summer clothes, but I really lucked out and got these for $9. But anyway, back to the Stitch Fix top. I have this done in a front tuck just to define my waist a little bit, and I will show it to you untucked. I love this asymmetrical detail. I love the way the shoulder has the straps just on the one side so that it's not quite a cold shoulder. And I'll show you how this looks in the back. I love this army green color. I've been wearing it all season. And I'll show this to you untucked as well. It does have a curved hem. Now this is one of the reasons, besides being short, that I front tuck, is I don't like to see all the mechanics of the jeans. I can clearly make out the belt loops, the pocket, the zipper placket, the button. So that's why I have a tendency to front tuck, and then it gives it a little bit more of a smooth look. Laura did send a pair of pull-on flat front jeans, and if I can get them on because they're super skinny, I will show them to you. But I really do like this top. Let me know in the comments down below what you think. And again, I showed it to you once close up, but I can't resist showing you again. I'm leaning heavily toward this bracelet. I just think this is so, so pretty. So this is the next top, and I styled it very similar to the style card, with the exception of it's shown here with distressed boyfriend jeans. But since I already had on distressed boyfriend shorts, I wanted to just show it for the sake of efficiency. So again, you'll notice that I do have this front tucked, and I'll untuck this in just a moment. I love the back detail on this top. I have this in a yellow. I wear it way more than I ever thought I would. I just love it. I love the way it's very drapey at the shoulders. It's not just that strange little circle right here. And I think sometimes that's the type of cold shoulder that people object to, is when it's just a random circle right at the shoulder. But I love this top. It feels very light and breathable, even though I'm sure it's polyester. But let me know, what do you think about this one in this color? Comment down below. So here is the midi length dress, and as I mentioned, I've never even tried on a dress this length. It's shown with some espadrilles, and I just realized I don't own any, go figure. So I put on some wedges for this first look, and I'm going to show this dress two ways. I have to say that I'm surprised by this dress. I knew that I loved the fabric very much as soon as I touched it, but I like a lot of features about it. It does have one slit right here. It has pockets. It's very soft, and a lot of times when a top is shaped like this, it's almost like a bustier where you're shoved into it and it's uncomfortable. This is so comfortable. And I don't think it shows too much cleavage, but what do you think? Let me know in the comments down below. Now, to be honest, I would always have something on over this unless I was having a hot flash. I don't typically show quite this much skin, but when I have a hot flash, boy, would this come in handy. So it's also shown with a denim jacket. So I'm going to pair this with my all-time favorite denim jacket. This is by Sky's the Limit. I bought this at Boscov's a couple of years ago. You've seen it in a number of my videos. And what I love about it is the raw hem, the cropped length, the light color, but the thing I like the most is the way it laces up in the back. And I would definitely wear this dress with this denim jacket. Laura mentioned wearing this with boots in the fall, and when I first saw this dress, my first thought was, well, that's a summer dress. It's cute, but it's a summer dress. So I decided to go find a pair of my fall tall boots to try on with this dress. So I'll be right back to show you that look. And I'm back, and I really like Laura's suggestion to wear this with boots to transition into fall with this look more than the first look that I showed you. So I just pulled from my closet a pair of distressed boots that have a little bit of a heel that I've had for a couple of years that I'm sure I got on a clearance rack. I kept on the same denim jacket, and I think this look is cute, so I can completely see where she's going with as far as this being transitional. And then the best part is if I have a hot flash, I can take a layer off. But what do you guys think about this dress? I've never tried a midi dress on before. And especially you ladies that are petite, let me know if you buy this length dress. I am 5'4", just as a point of reference. And for the final look, I have on the pull-on flat front Liverpool jeans that I'm sure they're the most expensive thing in the box. And I styled it very similar to the style card, where you can see there's a black kind of a balloon sleeve top, and I happen to have one similar. And then there are some shoes with cutouts, and I just got the shoes that I have on at Walmart. They're part of my Walmart fall haul and try on. If you haven't checked that out, I'll link it in the cards above. But anyway, I want to show you this outfit in its entirety. These fit like a glove. They feel fabulous, and I want to come in closer and show you why I specifically asked for flat front jeans. I actually hope you can see better with that light off. The light was just blowing out this black top, and I'll turn it back on when I show you the jeans. But I want to show you why I wanted a pull-on flat front pant the first time that I asked Laura for them. And it's so that when I wear a tunic length that is not tucked in or front tucked, that I can't see all the inner workings of the jeans in this area right here. These pull-on jeans have a nice wide waistband that's kind of holding all of this in. And I'll show you the actual jeans. There's a wide elastic waistband about this big. The pockets are just faux. There's no buttons, no zippers, no buckles, no placket. The back pockets are working pockets, and I do appreciate that. This is how they look in the back. As with almost any jean, they are slightly long on me, but I will be wearing these tucked into boots all winter long. And I want to show you the pair that was sent previously. As a point of reference, the ones that I'm holding in my hand now, this is the previous pair that she sent. And as you can see, they're two completely different washes. And I like both washes. I like the light wash and I like the dark wash that she just sent. And I'm really struggling with if I should pick up a second pair. And in case you're wondering, the reason why these still have the tags on, I bought these specifically to wear in the winter with boots and tunic length tops. I don't wear anything this skin tight in the summer because it's just too hot. So I bought these with fall and winter in mind. And I'm feeling like having both washes would be handy, but what do you think? And again, this is the whole outfit. Do I need a second pair? Help me decide. And we have the dreaded price list. Now that all the fun and games are over with the try-ons, we need to rip the band-aid off and see how much this cost. And I did ask my stylist to give me the lowest price point possible. I am a bargain hunter by nature, and in fact I do many Walmart hauls and try-ons, and I'll try to remember to link a couple of those in the cards above. But if you watch even one of those, you'll see why I hesitate a little bit at the Stitch Fix pricing. But sometimes I have found some pieces that I absolutely love, and maybe I found some that I love that I can afford. So let's see what the total is. Huh. I am happy to report, my eye went right to the complete total at the bottom that's kind of in bold, that the entire box, if I were to buy everything and get the buy 5 discount, which takes 25% off, is $157. And I have to say that for 5 pieces, that's not too crazy. So let's see what the pieces cost individually. So the Kaileigh top, the olive one in size small, is $34, and that seems to be like the going rate for the lower end pricing for Stitch Fix, I will say. I don't think I've ever received anything that was under $34. The Bancroft metal cuff that's in a gold and silver tone is $32. Now, in a retail setting, would I pay $32 for any piece of costume jewelry? If I'm being completely honest, no, probably not. By the way, if you've been on the fence about trying Stitch Fix, I am going to put my referral code down below. If you use my link, you will get your first box for free, meaning that your styling fee will be waived, and you'll have $25 to go towards a piece that you love in your box, and I will also get a small credit, and I can't tell you how much I would appreciate that. But back to the pricing. The 9 Britton Midi dress, navy, size small, is $54. I have paid $50 for a dress before, so that price sounds reasonable to me. Liverpool super skinny jean, blue, size 4, $78. That's one of those prices I was talking about that gives me a knee-jerk reaction. But I know exactly why Laura sent them, because I bought the Liverpool jeans from the last box, even though they were high ticket. But I have to say they are so well made, and I really do love having them in my wardrobe. So we're going to keep an open mind here. And the Kaileigh cold shoulder top in burgundy, size small, $38. I know why Laura sent this too, because I received this in another color previously. And I have to say, I was on the fence about when I bought it. That is probably the top that I wear the most out of everything that I've ever bought from Stitch Fix. So I'm definitely considering that. So that takes my stylist pick subtotal to $236. The buy all 5 discount of 25% takes off $59. My styling fee of $20 comes off, and it brings my box total to $157, which again, I don't think is bad for 5 pieces. Let me know in the comments down below, which pieces do you think I should keep and which pieces should I pass on? I truly appreciate your feedback, and your opinion matters more than you know, so thank you in advance if you take the time to leave a comment. Thanks so much for taking time out of your busy day to spend with me. I truly appreciate it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also consider hitting that subscribe and notification bell. That way you'll see my future videos. Until next time, bye guys.